Hi and welcome to the next video in our basic series. As you know, I'm Stephen. I'm covering most of the nutrition topics on this. This one is kind of nutrition based, not quite some of it. So this is a digestive system. The digestive system can be up to 30 feet long in a grown adult and features a complex system of processes in different areas of the body. We're going to quickly run through these, break it down to the main points. So first of all, we've got the mouth. So when you eat food, the more you chew this, it's called mastication. The food's carbohydrates themselves actually start to break down within the mouth. And the more you chew, the more enzymatic processes are actually starting to cascade in the body and helps the body digest better and also helps you feel full. Next section, very simple. The esophagus is the tube that travels from your mouth down to the stomach. The stomach itself actually liquefies food, adds in digestive acids, and enzymes start to break down proteins. After the stomach, our next section is the small intestine. The small intestine is where the majority of the digestion takes place in the body. The digestive tract in the small intestine is lined with a thing called villi. The fingers are the best way to imagine these. So all across these tubes are little fingers which grab onto food, break it all down. The last section here, the last physical section before we go into some of the organs which play a part as well, is the colon. Again, I won't dwell on this too much. The colon excretes any waste, anything that's not been digested. We all know what happens through there. So if we start looking at the organs that are involved, the liver itself synthesises bile, which starts to break down lipids. Lipids are just fats. The gallbladder stores bile, so that the liver's constantly producing small amounts of bile. The gallbladder keeps that there and uses that when required for meals. The pancreas also makes digestive enzymes and secretes insulin and glucagon. Insulin and glucagon, again, we'll come on to this stuff later on. They control blood glucose moving through the body. Obviously, when the food gets broken down, the carbohydrates get taken out. Carbohydrates get taken out, broken down to sugars. The liver, as I say, secretes insulin and almost it's kind of reverse glucagon, which moves blood glucose and manages that around the body. So, as I said, this is a very simple beginning in the digestive processes. If you watch the videos on insulin, on the organs like the liver, the other organs as well, kidney, you'll start to understand how all this thing works. We'll also should cover a video on satiety, which is to do with how full. As I mentioned, the more you chew your food, the more full you're going to feel. So there'll be other videos as well on what we call satiety index, what foods make you feel fuller. These things can be very, very helpful in a diet when you start feeling hungry. There's certain tips and tricks you can do to actually make yourself feel fuller and stay fuller for longer. So as I said, that's a very basic cover of the digestive system. Hope it's been of some use to you. I'll see you in the next video.